Let me show you how easy it is to get started with Stripe projects in E2B. So we've started by knitting Stripe projects into our directory. This is going to allow it to add other projects such as E2B. So we'll go ahead and add E2B now. All right, we'll select the hobby plan, so we'll do pay as we go and provision it. If you don't already have an E2B account, no worries. Stripe will automatically provision an account for you. So this should take about a couple seconds, and then it's going to give us the credentials that we need in order to actually talk to Stripe. Now at this point, we can open our favorite code interpreter. We'll use Codex here, but it works with Claude as well. All right, and so let's have it use a sandbox to host a quick page about how E2B with Stripe projects is easy. So at this point, we downloaded two things when we installed E2B into Stripe projects. First was the Stripe project skill, and second was the E2B skill. This is going to tell the AI what it needs to do in order to use both of these two services. So, since it already has the credentials now, it should immediately be able to go into using E2B and spin up a sandbox and put our web server inside of it. So let's see it go. All right. So we can see now it's found the credentials, it's found the CLI, it's got itself a sandbox. And within a couple seconds, we should have a viewable web page. Now, of course, you can use this for all sorts of other tasks. You can use it for data science. You can use it for research, whatever it is that you would do a sandbox inside of. And by giving each of your agents their own sandbox, it makes it so you have a scalable solution that basically every agent can just spin up a sandbox and do whatever it needs to do. Now we're hitting a minute here on this task, which is not bad. It looks like we now have that endpoint. And it's just verifying it's there. In a second, we should be able to pull this up in a browser and make sure it works. All right, there we go. Take it about a minute, 20 seconds. Let's bring up a browser, and bam. We've now got a web page, and it's easy to start. So pretty cool. All right, looking forward to see what you can build with this.